All right, so we are at Drexel and we are standing with Liberty Learning Center. They finished second place in the Keller Williams prep school football competition. They were defeated in the final 2-1, the first defeat of the season for them, and this is their first full season in the competition. So I think they deserve a big round of applause. I mean, their goalkeeper only conceded in the final, in the finals and the semi-finals. Probably should have been the best goalkeeper in the league. Right? And they had 3 players from the team that also made the best 11. Could have been 5, but a lot of commendations for the team and for all the persons who worked to make this happen, including the principal, Miss Brent Harris, who we're going to ask to come and talk to us now. So we know that she would have preferred the gold medals, but we're going to invite her to come. We know that in the announcement officially it was said, let us be very political right now. So we know that there was some political interference in how the matches were arranged to ensure that certain team did not play LLC until the finals because they were afraid that they would be knocked out. All right, so Miss Brent Harris, welcome to I Assure Sports. Listen, just talk to us. I mean, how do you feel about your team participating in this year's competition?
I am extremely elated to have them in the competition. I mean, it's their first time and they've gone the full round. They've done exceptionally well and the entire school community is so proud of them. We don't think they could have done any better. Out of this, we've seen talents that we know we'll be hearing of years to come. We're sending them off to high school, our grade 6s, and we want to say thank you so much to our younger players. The field is big and wide and open, and we expect you to continue showcasing nothing but excellence.
Wonderful. And the second question is, how did you get all of this to happen in the midst of a pandemic, in terms of getting the players to come out and practice? I know where the school is at, you don't have enough space like probably other schools. How were you able to get that part done?
This happening in a pandemic is nothing short of just being divinely guided. And I will not concede to anything else other than to say that much and most of what you've seen here is nothing of us, but just strictly of the Lord. He provided for us a team that is second to none. So from our other administrator, the teaching staff, the coaching staff, and one thing I want to emphasize is the kind of parents that Liberty has. So from time to time, people will see us write in a group and say we have the best parents. It's not a matter of speech, it's the reality. So we have an extremely strong support system.
All right. Thank you, Miss Brent Harris. We're going to get some more feedback. We're going to invite Coach Roger Johnson. Thank you so much, Miss Brent Harris, for your time. So you see, you have all the players here. This is Mr. Roger Johnson. Those of you who are from back in the days, he was a former goalkeeper at Stats, but due to stuff we don't want to mention on live TV, but Mr. Johnson, tell us, I mean, how easy or how difficult was it for you to prepare these youngsters for this tournament this season?
I think it was mostly easy because the teachers of Liberty prepared them for any eventuality, so it was easy.
All right, what about today's game? I mean, reflecting on today's game, is there anything you could have done or you think you could have done to alter the outcome of the game? Are you satisfied with your team's performance and satisfied with the end result?
I am very satisfied with my team's performance. My team was the last team to start training for this competition. Right, so I'm very satisfied how the boys equipped themselves.
All right, Mr. Johnson, all the best. I see you're wearing 2 medals. So I don't know if you got 2 awards, but if that is the case, congratulations.
No, one is for a player, Deshaun Mullins, and the other one is for I don't know it.
Okay. All right, thank you so much, Mr. Johnson. I think he deserves a round of applause for his hard work. Yes, and all the other coaches, and We're going to invite a couple of the players who made the all-star team to come and just say something. I don't know. They're very shy, but I know they go to a school. So who is going to come and talk about their experience? Let's see. Yeah. Yes, so tell us your name and what position you play.
Trayvon Murphy and I play midfield.
Midfield. How was the experience for you?
It was good with my groin injury at first, but now it's a lot better.
Is there anything you learned from the competition?
Yes.
What is that one thing you learned?
Never underestimate your opponent.
Never underestimate your opponent. All right, thank you so much, and all the best, and congratulations on finishing second place. All right, and we have here the Rock in the defense. Yes, tell us your name and tell us a little bit about your game today and how you're feeling at the end.
My name is Makonan Anderson, and today the game was, out of all the feelings that I had, it was fun.
It was fun today?
Yes, it was very fun.
Yeah? Alright, so how do you feel about the end result? Would you have preferred to have won, or you're okay because your team worked hard and you got to the finals?
I would have preferred first place, but this is what we worked for, and if we...
Go ahead, man. In the future?
In the future,
yes.
If we want to become first place players,
yeah,
we would have to work harder.
Harder. Alright, so you one day you want to play for Jamaica?
I'm not sure.
Alright, all the best and congratulations on your award. Alright? Yeah, man. Yes, the goalkeeper. Tell us your name.
My name is Danish Samuel.
Danish Samuel. So for those of you who don't know, Danish only conceded 2 goals, one in the semi-finals and one in the finals. I mean, what was training like in terms of preparing for this, and who helped you to prepare as a goalkeeper?
Well, my training was good. Just want to thank my coach, Uncle Raja, for everything he's done for me and the team. And just I want to applaud him for his good work and his effort.
Alright, so you will you be playing football when you get into high school, or this is just fun in prep school?
High school as well.
High school as well. Well, all the best Danish, and again, I think you were the best goalkeeper because you conceded the fewest goals in the competition. All right, all the best to you. All right, listen, I don't know if any parent want to come and talk about their experience. So we have all the parents here. All right. All right. So this is one of the parents. Her son is one of the standout players in the tournament. I mean, even if you don't go to LLC, his name is one of the names that ring out and stuff. Where did he develop this passion, the gift of playing football?
Well, Joe just has it in him. He's been playing since he was 5 and get a lot of good training and just the love.
Yeah?
He loves the game, yeah.
How far do you think he can go based on this, what we have seen? Because you would have seen more from him than those at the schools would have seen. So how far do you think he can go?
It's limitless. He can go as far as he wants. As long as he work hard, he can go far.
All right. And what are your thoughts on the competition for all of these kids coming to a climax today at Jackson? What are your thoughts on the overall competition from a parent's perspective?
It was good. It was nice to get the children out and playing again, and just on the field and working as a team.
All right. Wonderful. All right. Thanks for your time. And all the best to you and your family and your son. Hope one day I'll see him wearing the Jamaican colors.
Right.
See, all right? All right. All right. Thank you so much. All right. And these are the beautiful parents. She's decked out in her team jersey. Say something. Say something about the team performance, you supporting the team this season. I mean, how does it feel for you as a parent?
I am elated. I am so excited to be a part of this wonderful school family. We are proud of our boys and we just wish them all the best.
All right, wonderful. Is there any disappointment you have about the outcome of the competition, or you're just satisfied that you got to the final?
A win would have been great, but we are satisfied and we are still a winners. We are all winners and we are excited for our children.
All right, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Anything you want to say? I mean, yes.
I just want to say I'm really proud of the team, and I know my son has put in some extra effort, neglected some real game playing, and he has really put out practice in school, out of school, and I want to big up the coach for the effort that he has put in, and the school preparing this is our first time preparing for a league like this, to know that they have really come among champions. I think that's a plus. So we got a champion team and we got some champion parents on this team as well.
All right, thank you so much. So listen, this is wonderful. Let me take a picture of all the players again. We have assistant coach Coach Sammy, Coach Jackson, former national youth player. Darren. What I must call him, Darren? Darren?
Yes, sir.
Jackson?
No, Barnett.
Darren Barnett?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Barnett?
Yes, sir.
I mean, talk to me. What happened today?
First, before I talk what happened today, I just want you guys to know that I'm proud of you guys. When Roger asked me to come and help out, Roger used to coach me as a youth player. So I was so excited to come and work with you guys, and I want to tell you, I said, we haven't lost today. This is a victory for all of us. You know, I said this first time you guys have entered the competition and come thus far, it shows a great potential for better things coming. And I said, Roger, it doesn't matter if me get level D or pro license, I'm always gonna be with Liberty. I'm always gonna be with Liberty. But what happened today, I must say, it's just unfortunate, and it's in the sports, because I've lost many final. I said there's nobody to be blamed, because some will win and some will lose. But today I'm saying we're all winners, because this is a development stage for us. So we don't think about lose and win at this stage. But I know you guys feel. So, but as a coach, I'm proud to be a part of them. You know what I mean? Even if we lost the game today.
All right, wonderful, wonderful, Coach Barnett. Thank you so much for your time.